welcome you to the House of Ebon, where all your dreams come true. So we are talking about fashion, clothes, trends, what makes your body pop when you step outside your door. I have 5 outfits. These are geared to the fall that is coming. I think the last day of summer is September 22nd. And so the outfits I'm going to show you in this video are some of the outfits that I might wear, some of the trends that I might sport. Even before it was a thing, I was into suits. I love the way you can just mix up your look with a suit. Like you can tie your belt around the jacket, you can have your pants high-waisted, you can go with tennis shoes with your suit, you can dress it up. You can not have your jacket at all, or you can use the jacket with denim at the bottom. And so there's just so many different variations you can do with the suit, and that's why I really love them. It's giving me class, it's giving me money, it's giving me necessity. I have like 3 suits that I what's the word?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
I want to say switch in and out, but I know that's another word for that. But y'all know what I'm talking about. So I go through these 3 suits and I mix and match to, if I don't wear a crop top or a shirt that I care to see, I will wrap the jacket around, like close the jacket and then wrap the belt and loop it. And that'll give it a totally different look. So this is like a monochromatic look. My top shirt is like a purplish blue color, and bottoms are some dress pants I had for a long time since college. About 4 years ago. They are still intact. They are blue. Who is texting me? But they're blue, they're long, they're baggy, so they give that big pouchy look at the bottom with a nice fitted shirt. It's a great look. I might pair it with my white Adidas or my snakeskin boots, or like this outfit you can dress up, you can dress down, and that's what I like about it. That's what I like really about monochromatic looks. I distressed these pants about 4 or 5 years ago, I believe, if I'm calculating right. I think so. So it's a white top, a white button up with the distressed denim, black denim. With these, I like to wear my Vans or my Converse, or if I'm going out to an event or something special, I like to wear my Chelsea boots. With this, I like to wear silver jewelry.
That is not correct.
Silver jewelry, because I think it accents it well. And so I might put on some silver necklaces, silver earrings, some rings, and keep it like that. And for the distressed jeans, if I do wear Vans or Converse, I will roll the jeans up at least twice. Nothing but denim. Everything denim. Cowboy denim. Top shirt is from American Eagle. Denim. It has buttons at the sleeve. It's button up, and the jeans are thrifted. I might pair it with some gold accessories, some bracelets, some earrings, but I like to keep this outfit very simple. These pants I have on, I got them from Forever 21. It was either in the men's section or the plus size women's section. The top is from Puma. It's like a workout shirt, and I paired it with the denim jacket that you see. It's not a jacket, it's a denim shirt, and I distressed it. I cut at least, I want to say 2/3 of the bottom part of the shirt off, and I washed it, dried it, and when you dry it, it'll unravel as you see. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, comment down below what was your favorite outfit and what else would you like to see as a top 5 episode. Until later, bye. You know the drill, sis. Come on, watch the next video. I'm glad you watched the last video, but I got more. Go watch it.